Have you ever stood up, put your hand over your heart, and wondered, what is the Pledge of Allegiance? And why do we say it every day?
Oh, yeah. I say it every single morning at school. Sometimes I'm still half asleep. Sometimes I'm thinking about breakfast. And sometimes I'm just hoping I don't forget the words and accidentally pledge allegiance to my lunchbox. I've been saying it forever, but I never really stopped to think about what all those big, serious words actually mean.
That's exactly why today we're learning what the Pledge of Allegiance is, where it came from, and what it really means for Americans, especially kids like you. The Pledge of Allegiance is a promise people in the United States say to show loyalty to the country. When you say the pledge, you're not promising to a person, you're promising to the ideas America stands for.
Oh, okay. Because I was about to ask which person I was supposed to be promising things to. I was like, is there a manager of America I'm supposed to report to? So it's more about ideas, not people. That makes way more sense and way less awkward.
Not at all. It's about believing in values like freedom, fairness, and unity. The pledge was written in 1892 by a man named Francis Bellamy. It was first used in schools to help students feel connected to the country, especially because many families were new immigrants. Let's break it down. I pledge allegiance means I promise loyalty to the flag of the United States of America means the flag represents the whole country. And to the republic for which it stands reminds us America is a republic where people choose their leaders. One nation, under God, indivisible, means the country is united, not meant to be split apart. With liberty and justice for all is the most important part. It means freedom and fairness for everyone.
Wow! When you break it down like that, it's actually pretty powerful. I thought I was just saying a really long sentence really fast. But it's like a whole message packed into one pledge. Kind of like a superhero motto, but for a country.
Great question! No, saying the Pledge of Allegiance is a choice. In the United States, people are allowed to decide for themselves. That freedom is part of what the pledge is about. I have a question for you. Which part of the pledge talks about freedom and fairness? A. One nation. B. Liberty and justice for all. C. To the flag. The correct answer is B. The pledge isn't about memorizing words, it's about understanding them. When people say the pledge, they're reminding themselves to work toward a country where everyone belongs.
So, it's kind of like a reminder alarm. But instead of saying, wake up, it says, be fair, be kind, and remember we're all in this together. Honestly, I like that way better than my morning alarm.
Exactly! A reminder to be respectful, fair, and united. And remember, loving your country also means helping make it better. Thanks for hanging out with us. And remember, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning every day.